Hi, I am Mageline Kai, and this is my video discussion of the digestive system. It is composed of alimentary tract, canal, and accessory organs from mouth to rectum. These organs are involved in the process of conversion of food into absorbable nutrients. Importance of Gitrek, procuring, grasping, prehension, chewing, swallowing, digestion, absorption of nutrients, secretory and excretory functions. Digestion defined in the broad sense, it may include mechanical forces, chewing and muscular contractions, chemical action, hydrochloric acid and belly enzymatic hydrolysis of the ingesta by enzymes, microbial action, rumen, sessile or colon fermentation. The overall function is to reduce feed to a molecular size or solubility that allows absorption and utilization of the individual nutrients released in the process. Types of animals according to structure of their stomach. So number 1, monogastric simple stomach are animals categorized as non-ruminants because they consume mainly on concentrates, except the horse, which has the functional cecum with microbes that digest the roughage, example, pig, human, dog, etc. So number 2, modified simple stomach. So avian stomach, they are categorized non-ruminant animals because they consume mainly concentrates. Poultry species have gizzard for mixing and grinding of feed, and the proventriculous secretion of gastric enzymes for digestion. So number 3, ruminants. Ruminants compound, stomach compound. So stomach animals that consume mainly on roughages, bulky feeds, they are grouped into small ruminants, goat, sheep, and deer, and large ruminants, carabao, and cattle. So ruminant animals include those classified under the order Artiodactyle, which are even-toed hoof mammals, in the suborder Ruminantia, which includes the families Giraffidae, Carvidae, Bovidae, etc. It comes from the Greek word ruminer, which means to chew over again, thus cod, chewing, even-toed hoof mammals. The ruminant stomach occupies 3/4 of the abdominal cavity, mainly on the left side. So let's go down now of the organs of the digestive system and their functions. So simple and modified stomach. Number 1, mouth. Mouth composed of prehensile organ conveying food to the mouth, grinding breakdown to increase surface area of food particles, mixing food with saliva to facilitate swallowing, and defensive and offensive weapon. So number 3, glands, maxillary, plantain, and mandibular glands. These glands produce glandular secretion. Teeth, these are hard white, yellow-white structures implanted in the alveoli of the bones of jaws. Functions in mechanical digestion, 2 sets: deciduous temporary teeth or permanent teeth. Types on scissor teeth, situated in front and are implanted in the premaxilla and mandible canine teeth, situated a little further back and interrupt the interalveolar space. Premolar molar teeth form the sides of the dental arc, with the former occupying the entire part of the series. Salivation. In the process of mastication, saliva is added primarily from three bilateral pairs of glands: a submaxillary at the base of the tongue, sublingual underneath the tongue, parotids found below or close to the ear. Functions of saliva. Saliva aids in informing food into a bolus, which may be swallowed easily. Lubrication keeps the mouth moist, aiding in the taste mechanism. Buffer salts, providing a source of enzymes for initiating enzymatic digestive processes, salivary amylase and lipase. Tongue situated on the floor of mouth between the mandible. Its functions are the aid in chewing and forming of bolus. Contains taste buds, aids in swallowing. Lips, soft and flexible, aid in picking of food. Cheeks, muscular structures covered with skin and lined with mucous membrane, aids the tongue in positioning food between the teeth for chewing. Jaws, closed by the powerful masseter, temporal, and pterygoid muscle, and are opened by the digestus occipation, mandibularis, and sternomandibularis muscle. Palate forms the roof of the mouth and is continued caudally by the soft palate, which separates the mouth from the pharynx. Pharynx serves as the common passage for air and food. There are 7 openings, which includes the following: mouth or isthmus, phaeum, 2 posterior nares, choana, 2 estetiana, or auditory tubes, esophagus or adductus esophagi, larynx or adductus laryngeus.